Hey guys, it's Yvette, and I have my Creative Notions bag. And this is going to be very strange for me because some of you may know that I curated this bag with Vickie, and it's her anniversary bag, 2 years of Creative Notions. Congratulations, Vickie. I'm so happy for you. I knew within the first 2 bags, 3 maybe, that you had it. Whatever it is that you need to have to be a success at this, you have it. And I am very honored to be part of this bag with you for the month of August. And so it's a little odd for me to be opening it up. It's like I know most of what's inside. I haven't actually seen it except for, well, I mean, you know, like in the flesh. I haven't seen it except for one thing in there. But anyway, I'm still excited. I'm excited to open it, to actually be able to see everything in person. I'm really excited about it. So let's get it open. I haven't even cut the mailing bag open yet. So let's get it going. My gosh, it's huge. Okay. I don't want to mess it up. Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay, so we have a lovely bag that everything is in, and I don't know if you recognize it. Oops. It's got a Merry Christmas thing on it, but look. That's my Purrmaid that Andrea made me from Sugar and Spice Textiles. And there it is, my little Purrmaid on the bag. And it says Making Memories, which is really, I think it's something that's on the Creative Notions bags, like on her, I think it says Creating Memories, doesn't it? So, okay. There is a Maker's Planner Clipboard Memo Set. I'm so excited. It's got magnet on the back, which I can't wait to hang this in the kitchen for like writing a list of what we need and stuff like that. That's what I would use it for. I love it. Good things come to those who make. That's very nice. Okay, so I'm just going to pull everything out. And my little bag, I love this little bag. It's adorable. Okay. Oh my gosh. All right, so I know what's in here. This bag was made to hold this item specifically, and I just there's a lot of things that run through my mind. A lot of behind the scenes things. And oh, I have my Zappy Dot. That must be from last month, because last month was the last month to get a Zappy Dot. And so this is the one that was supposed to be in my bag last month. So if you don't have one, it's probably because you got it last month. And so some of us they accidentally forgot to put it in our bags. So we got it. Okay, so that's why I have my Zappy Dot now. And anyway, there are just a lot of things that went into making this bag, and I want each person involved to know how much I appreciate all the hard work that went into it. Because I definitely know now that it's not an easy thing. Okay, so we have candy that I got to pick out. It is just a plain old candy stick. It's in a cotton candy flavor. It's pink with some blue on it, and you know, all sorts of things go into the decisions of what you're going to put in a bag. And believe me, it goes all the way down to the candy. Now, this here is our pressing stick. This is a mini version or a smaller version of my original stick because it had to fit in the bag. And I want to let you guys know that my husband made every single one of these by hand. So thank you, Jim, for all your hard work almost every weekend, cutting and sanding and branding, packaging. He did everything. So thank you so much. And I hope you guys really enjoy these. This is one of my favorite things in my sewing room. Mine, which is right here, I've had and used for so long. It's very tan now. I hope you guys really enjoy this. And this bag was made by Sugar and Spice Textiles, especially for me, with my logo on it for YvetteRene Creations. And I want Andre to know how much I appreciate it. Truly appreciate it. I do. Okay. We have, oh my gosh, it's crazy. This whole thing is surreal to me, guys. The whole thing is surreal. I'm just a little girl on YouTube, you know what I mean? Okay. So she was very nice. She has my name and bio on here. She talks about everything that's inside the bag. All of the people who were sponsors for the birthday giveaways, which are still going on next week, guys, by the way. So all of those are listed on the back as well. Be sure to check them out and shop their stuff. She's just, Vickie, you're just too good to me. Really. She's got a whole card. And I'm like at a loss. I'm sorry. The recipe is for a Cajun meatball stew that I made on what did I maybe I just talked about it. And of course my mom told me I did everything wrong, so that was great. But anyway, they did the recipe card for me. I feel like I need to stop the video and start again. Okay. I'm done. Okay. I'm good. Okay, so let's look at the next Dotty sampler quilt block of the month is the Ohio Star, and that is the Ohio Star. And I know that they say in here who is making that particular block. Ooh, there's the Ohio Star and the leaf. Okay, so the Ohio Star is Stephanie's Stitches. Sorry, Stephanie. And the leaf is being done by Becca. And so you'll have the Ohio Star. There's going to be a tutorial on Stephanie's channel on in the second week of September, and the leaf will be on Becca's channel on in the fourth week of September. Okay. I'm gonna get through this. I swear, I'm gonna do it. Okay. I need sustenance. My Starbucks. Okay, okay, I honestly, it's a toss. It's too much almost. Okay, so let's look at the fabric. We have 2 bundles of fabric, and I totally love them all. I love ginghams. So I probably don't need to pull those out. You just got your purple, yellow, pink, and blue ginghams. And then the fabric, the one that I need to open up. It's truly adorable. Wait till you guys see it. Okay, I'm having trouble opening it up. Okay, let me try to slide it off the side, because it's knotted a lot. Okay. Oh my gosh. I do love the fabric. We've got a bunch of Purrmaids in lots of different colors. Very cute. I feel like I need to show my little Purrmaid as I go. We got that. Oh my, I love this one with the rainbow scales. I love it. Oh wait, I gotta show more of it. I love the rainbow, and look how pretty, and I love the scales on there. Do you guys see that? It's so pretty. And then we have a stripe. Oh, I love the seahorses. Honestly, if Jim would let me put him on camera, I would bring him out here and thank him personally, but I know he won't. So I just keep thinking about all the things that every single person has done to make this bag a success. There's some Dotty fabric. And the swirls. And here is the pattern to go with it. And it's even got a fussy cut frame so that you can frame them inside here. And I love how the squares are on point. I just love that. And they called it the Yvette's Purrmaid quilt. Okay, so there's a frame inside. I'm sorry. There's the quilt. And the quilt will finish at 42 by 50, I'm sorry, 44 by 52. And I just want to say that all of the fabric and the pattern for the quilt was designed by Andrea of Sugar and Spice Textiles. Thank you, Andrea, for all your hard work. I know that you put a lot into it. And finally, you guys, I can't even. I probably should have stopped it a long time ago. But there's also a do-it-yourself pillow kit of your very own Purrmaid, just like mine. There are different colors, so I think that, I know that they told me what the colors were. I think the colors were like pink, green, and purple. I don't remember. But let me pull it out, and I'll just tell you guys that this is like the softest fabric. Like my Purrmaid, she's so soft, and I've been told it's very easy to make this, so I'm excited. I want to make one because now I'll have a purple one too. And let's see. Ooh. Oh, okay. It's a big instruction. I thought it was going to be like a, I didn't know. Okay, so there are sewing instructions and it looks really easy. Do we have, oh my gosh, with the little arms and everything. Okay, so really, that's it. That's all there is to putting it together. I'm very excited. I'm going to put mine together. And oh my gosh, look. They've even like totally made, and it's embroidered with the little paw and everything. Okay. Aw, look, there's a little tag. It says, "This Purrmaid belongs to and stitched with love by." That's a nice touch. Oh, yes, purple, pink, and green. And honestly, like, I'm looking at these, and I don't know if they're going to be, like, for sale in the shop, but I want to buy a green one. I want, like, one of each. Okay. You guys, I'm blown away because, oh, did I show you that? Oh, yeah, I did. I already showed you all of that. Okay. It's a lot of hard work that goes into each and every one of these boxes. I can attest to it. You know, lots of people say to me, "Oh, Yvette, why don't you start your own box?" No, I couldn't do it. The imagination that goes into each and every bag, the sheer everything that's inside. I mean, you guys, this is all way over and above. Way over and above. I may have influenced some of this stuff, but really the only thing that we provided was the pressing stick, which I do hope that you guys like the Poplar presser. I personally love mine, so I thought that you would probably enjoy it as well. And it's just, Vickie is still like the best at this type of box, or bag, if you want to say bag, ever. I just think that she's amazing. I really do. And if you knew her in person, you would love her even more. And I am so excited about this bag. I love it. I'm already trying to think of what I'm going to put in it. Because all of this stuff is very special to me. Thank you so much, Vickie, for allowing me to be part of your box. Thank you, Andrea, for putting a piece of me in every single thing that's in this box. I truly appreciate both of you. And I also want to thank all of the people in the background at Creative Notions who put their heart and soul into that company every single day. I think that you guys all do a great job, and I will see you in the next Creative Notions bag. If not, you know, not everybody watches every single video that I do. So if nothing else, I'll see you in the next one for Creative Notions. And thank you so much for watching. I love you all. Mwah.